Before the tools start moving, before the dust fills the air, there's a quiet decision that changes everything. It's not about what to build. It's about what to notice. Because not every piece of wood is waiting to be shaped. Some are waiting to be understood. At first, this piece didn't look promising. No smooth surface. No obvious symmetry. No clean edges calling for attention. Just a rough form carrying years of silent history. Most would pass by it without a second thought. And that's exactly what makes it interesting. Because sometimes, the things that don't stand out at first hold the most potential underneath. There's a difference between looking and seeing. Looking is quick. Seeing takes time. So instead of rushing into measurements or sketches, the process began differently. By observing, turning the wood slowly, watching how the grain shifted from one angle to another, noticing the subtle contrast between darker lines and lighter textures. There was a rhythm to it. Not loud. Not obvious. But consistent. And that rhythm started to suggest something. Not a full design. Not a clear shape. But a direction. And that was enough to begin. The first contact wasn't aggressive. It was careful. Measured. Almost like asking permission. Because once you remove material, there's no going back. Every cut becomes part of the story. So each movement had to matter. And in those early stages, nothing looked impressive. There were no dramatic changes. No instant transformation. Just small adjustments. Gradual shifts. Almost invisible progress. This is the part most people never see. The part where patience matters more than skill. Where restraint matters more than speed. Because rushing here would erase what makes the piece unique. And that uniqueness was starting to show itself. Slowly the surface began to respond. Patterns that once felt random started to align. Edges that looked uneven began to feel intentional. It wasn't perfection. But it was progress. And then came the moment every creator recognizes. Uncertainty. Right in the middle of the process, the piece stopped making sense. What once felt clear became confusing. The direction blurred. The form lost its identity. And for a moment, it felt like everything might fall apart. This is where most people change course. They force a new idea. They try to fix what feels wrong. But forcing the process often hides what's real. So instead of correcting it, the process slowed down even more. Time was taken to step back. To look again. To reconnect with what made the piece interesting in the first place. And that's when something unexpected happened. The mistake wasn't a mistake. It was a transition. A shift from what the wood looked like to what it was becoming. And once that shift was understood, everything started to fall into place again. Not instantly. But steadily. With each pass, the design became clearer. Not because it was being forced into shape, but because it was being revealed layer by layer. There's a certain satisfaction in that kind of progress. It doesn't rush. It doesn't demand attention. But it builds something deeper. Something that feels earned. And as the piece evolved, the balance became more important than the form itself. Too much refinement and the character disappears. Too little and the design feels incomplete. So the goal became finding that middle ground. Where raw texture and smooth detail exist together. Where nothing feels overdone and nothing feels neglected. That balance is where the piece begins to feel alive. Not perfect. Not flawless. But real. And that's what gives it presence. At this stage, the design was no longer hidden. It was visible, but not finished. Because the final phase isn't about shaping. It's about refining what already exists. Small details started to take priority. The way one edge transitions into another. The subtle curve that changes how light moves across the surface. The fine adjustments that most people wouldn't notice but would definitely feel. This is where craftsmanship becomes something more than technique. It becomes sensitivity. An awareness of how every small decision affects the whole. And slowly, almost quietly, the piece reached a point where nothing more needed to be added. Not because it couldn't be improved but because it didn't need to be. That's a rare moment. When you realize that stopping is the right decision. Because going further would take away instead of adding value. And when that moment arrives, the piece tells you. Not with words. But with a sense of completeness. A feeling that everything is exactly where it should be. Looking at it now, it's hard to imagine how it started. What once felt rough and uncertain now feels intentional and balanced. But the most important part isn't how it looks. It's how it came to be. Because this wasn't about creating something out of nothing. It was about uncovering something that already existed. Hidden beneath layers. Waiting for the right approach. And that idea extends far beyond this piece. Because how often do we overlook something just because it doesn't look finished? How often do we judge too quickly without taking the time to understand? This process is a reminder. That value isn't always visible at first. That potential doesn't always announce itself. Sometimes, it's quiet, subtle, easy to miss. Unless you're willing to slow down and look deeper. And maybe that's what makes this kind of work so meaningful. It changes how you see things. Not just materials but possibilities. It teaches patience. It builds awareness. And it shows that not everything needs to be forced into shape. Some things just need to be revealed. So the next time you come across something that seems ordinary, pause for a moment. Look closer. Because there might be more there than you expect. Something hidden. Something waiting. Something that only becomes visible when you give it time. And that's what this is all about. Not just crafting, but discovering. Not just building, but understanding. And in that process, something unique always emerges. If this made you think differently even just for a second, then you've already seen what matters. Because the real design isn't just in the wood. It's in the way you choose to see it. If you enjoyed this journey, take a moment to support the craft. Like this video, share it with someone who appreciates meaningful creation, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more stories like this. There's always another hidden design waiting to be revealed. And you're invited to be part of that discovery.